Good day, my people. Good day, my people. So, like I always talk, forex is not hard, okay? Now they always make it difficult for ourselves. Now, I know normally I always go to the daily time frame. So we will go to the daily time frame now. Move straight to the daily time frame. What am I doing here? I want to see the trend. The trend means when I say the trend, I mean I want to see how the market they work out. Now we can clearly see that we are at first we were on a downtrend. Suddenly we started moving upward. So right now we are in an uptrend. And for this uptrend to complete, we have a resting liquidity on the left hand side, another liquidity here. So in other words, we are still pushing upward despite waiting with the C here. So what I normally do, I don't wait for the 4 hours again, I don't wait for the 2 hours, I just go straight to the 1 hour to know what is happening on the 1 hour. Now I move to the 1 hour, forex not hard, or just have an area of interest, mark out your supply, mark out your demand. So move straight to the 1 hour, which I'm doing right now. If you see on the daily time frame, you can see this zone. This is a strong area of demand now, where buyers push the market forward. You can see already mark it out. This was also another strong area of demand, but it was mitigated. But we have a double bottom here, so this zone definitely is strong. You see, it went up, came back down, and it's still pushing up. So what's wrong with my network right now? So I've marked it out. This one was mitigated. You can see when it came, mitigated it. All right, okay, fine. We're right now we're on the 1 hour. Now on the 1 hour, what I normally come here to do is just to check the internal trend. You know, the 1 hour candle, one candle here now represent the 1 hour. Okay, I just want to know what is happening. You can see when the market was here, this was a downtrend, right? And then when it started pushing up, this was an uptrend. So if it was to be in this area, what will you be waiting for? You need the market to come back, tap into a zone to push down. This is where we also use my RSI. Now you can see this was a downtrend, and from here it started pushing up. And again, what happened? It retraced back up a little bit and then started falling down again, crashing down until it got here, where it gave us this big impulsive move. It gave us a second touch, taking out this liquidity here, and then finally push up and finally break this high on the 1 hour. Then started pushing up again, and then from there you can see the market started pushing up. Even when it was retracing a little bit, it was still pushing up, and till now the market is still pushing up. So we can see on the 1 hour the market is indeed an uptrend, right? Now what you do, personally, I just move straight to the, now that I know that on the 1 hour that the market is in an uptrend, before another thing I do, I quickly use my RSI to see what it's saying. Now let's move into my RSI. You can see my RSI on the 1 hour is clearly in an overbought position. Okay, now this now makes this consolidation here a strong area of interest for me. That consolidation, let me quickly mark the consolidation out now for you to see it. Where are my tools? I'm supposed to use gang boss, so let me find it. I normally use gang boss to mark it out. Um, gang boss. I normally use gang boss. That's it. So I'll now use my tools here to mark out the high and the low of, what is this? No. This is not the gang boss I'm looking for. Let me change this. This is not what I'm looking for. Sorry. That was not what I'm looking for. So this one is gang boss. I'm looking for gang boss. Looking for gang boss. It's just a tool that I normally use to draw. Okay, it's not as if it's giving me the telling me, look, I went to buy. Okay, sorry, it's not even gang boss. What is wrong with this? Let me change the color to something we can see. So I go back. It's right angle. Not even gang boss. So I was wrong at first. Sorry. I need to work on this. So that you can see it. I've tried to work on the two. I think I killed the color before. So I'm working on it now. 100% now. Okay, this is my gang boss right now. It's not too much. So yeah, it is not too much. Okay. So be okay there. And then this one already detailed it. Okay. Like this now. So I mark at the high and the low of my consolidation. And I'll be waiting for a breakout. Because my RSI has given me another sign of what I should be expecting and waiting for. So the next thing I do is I break down to the 5 minutes. Straight down to the 5 minutes. I go to the 5 minutes. You can see on the 5 minutes, look at the consolidation. You know the market is an overbuy position on the 1 hour. So this time around now, I also put in my RSI. You can see my RSI is pushing down very well. So what I will do, Once the RSI get to an oversold position and it has gone below this minus 50 now, it has gone to this direction, I will buy. And my buy will now be, when I buy, I will now be waiting for, and the second candle formation I will be waiting for is a breakout of this consolidation. If the candle can break out of this box here, I will buy to this zone or to this zone. That's just it. For now, until there is a breakout for either to the upside or to the downside, I'm not taking a trade because this zone, it's a consolidation zone. There's an indecision happening on the market right now. So this is how I do my analysis. And like I keep saying, forex is very, very easy. Okay, forex is easy. Forex is cheap. All you just have to do is to be patient and stick to your strategy. Thank you.